Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling the inputs and giving permissions. Open the automation app and grant accessibility or input monitoring so volume presses register. Turn on developer or accessibility options only if instructed by the tool. Once done, run a quick test. Press volume up and down to confirm events appear in the app's logger. Make sure battery optimization is disabled for that app so it runs in background. This prevents missed presses when the screen is off. You now map specific press patterns to the actions you want. In the automation tool, add a new trigger and choose volume up or down, then pick single, double, or long press. Each yields different reliability and latency. Assign the action. Launch an app, run a shortcut, take a photo, or send a media command. Once assigned, add conditions like only when screen is off or inside a particular app to avoid accidental triggers. Test each mapping and tweak timings you finish by refining timings and validating the whole flow. Run repeated tests, single, double, and long presses in different states to ensure consistency. If triggers miss, increase debounce or change press length thresholds, and verify the app isn't subject to battery restrictions. If still failing, check for conflicting apps like camera or music players that capture volume events and either disable them or change their priority. A final reboot often clears permission quirks. Try that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.